Pasok na tayo sa interior and tech features. So for the past 4 years, interior wise, it held up nicely. Yung ating mga leather seats, talaga namang really aged well. There has been no damage sa ating interior. For our dashboard, infotainment screen, still okay. I modified my infotainment screen para at least magkaroon ako ng Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And then sa 360 camera, still one of the best. Ang image quality niya talagang still one of the best compared dun sa mga recent competitors niya. The heated side mirrors natin doing its job. The folding mirror, okay pa rin yan. Yung electronic seats adjustment natin. Mobile connection via Bluetooth and other buttons dito. Yung mga drive modes mo, yung mga hill descent mo, yung anti-slippage mo ng mga controls nito is working fine pa rin. Pagdating naman sa aircon, well maintained naman yung ating air condition. Ang mga pinalitan lang dito on a regular basis is yung mga filter. And then yung mga controls natin dun sa second row seat natin, yung controls natin dun para sa aircon, still working yan. Although lagi yan natutuhod, no, natatapakan ng mga bata, yung touchscreen yan is still in good condition. Wala ring cover yan. Yung interior lights natin are still good, all functioning, wala pang defective dyan. And then yung third row na seats natin, although barely usable yan kasi mas gusto ng mga kids na mas malaki yung hinihigaan sa likod. For me, sulit sa akin talaga yung space na nasa likod niyan.